Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can create your account on Bluesky. Well, Bluesky is a social media platform designed to offer a decentralized alternative to traditional platforms like Twitter, which is X now. It operates on a protocol called @protocol, which allows users to control their own data and engage with the contents they see in a more transparent and user-driven way. Anyhow, to create your account, go to your browser and search Bluesky. Then click on this link. Here, click on Create Account. Now, add your email, password, and date of birth. Then click on Next. Here, choose your username and then complete the challenge of selecting images and then click on Verify. Now upload your profile image. Select some interest to create your feed and then go to your Bluesky account by clicking on the Let's Go. Now your account has been created and you can check two types of feeds. One discovered and the other one is followed. Under the discovered feed, it is the one that Bluesky has created for you according to the interest you selected while creating your account. And under the followed feed, you will see what has been posted by others you are following. Moreover, you can search specific hashtags to see a certain type of feed. Anyhow, to set up your profile properly, go to your profile and upload your cover photo. Write your display name and some description, and then click on Save Changes. Now click on New Post to create your first post. Well, to create your first post, you have to verify your email first. So click on Send Confirmation and it will send you a confirmation code. Then grab that from your emails and add it here. Then click on Confirm. Now you can write or create your first post. Well, you can control who can see and interact with your post by changing the settings here. And then click on Post. Now your first post has been published, and you can go to these tabs to look around and make changes according to your needs. And this is how you can create your account on Bluesky. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe buttons and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.